Uh, how to earn money online? Uh, there are two ways to make money online and offline. Not risk match. Being hands down the quickest way to make a lot of money. Well, without surveys, online survey paid for searching the web, online market trading, start your own websites, review about website and apps of cash, that Disney wallet secret, get paid to site. How can I make a dollar hard day? Google AdSense, text link, affiliate marketing, display ads, freelance writing, getting new clients for your business, selling leads, digital products. 21 way to earn dollar every day online. If you are interested in earn money online and you are in spare time, check out these 20 ways you can earn over 100 or more per day. Google AdSense, test links, affiliate marketing, display ads, freelance writing, get new clients for your business. Send needs that the products. Uh, be, Become a click tower and earn money online. Earn money online with micro jobs. The click tower, you can set your own works and better from work and internet production. Earn money online. How to earn money online? Coronavirus lockdown. 10 ways to make money online. So that's why with the internet talking about internet, how to earn money online. Some such as a client access. Uh, 32 ways proven money fast at entrepreneur. 28 realistic make money online updated to 21. Okay, let's read it. Maybe you want to create a separate stream or income a few bills, or you are simply looking for a way to replace your current job. Whatever you reason, there are no 10 or different ways how to make money online. How be careful, some of these methods can be malicious and they scams in other illegal activities out there. Below you shall find 35 ways to earn money online that actually work. Some involve creating your own website, but you shall also find that use built-in audience of existing platform. Make money online with an Avison blog. Start an affiliate website. Build on e-commerce website. Resell web hosting. Create a detailed course. Create a membership site. Sell advertising space. Sell your service. Create a subscription job. Create an online directory. Sell your website. Publish Kindle books. Email marketing. Freelance on sites like Upwork. Buy and sell websites, sell web design template, buy and sell domain names, sell stock photos and footage, invest in cryptocurrency, sell your crafts on Etsy, sell your products on Amazon, start a YouTube channels, become a virtual assistant, sell your programming service, authorship, tutor kids online, eBay, Amazon, or Fiverr. Test websites and give feedback. Became website developer. Narrate audiobooks. Become a graphic designer. Become an Instagram influencer. Offer your SEO service, manage social media accounts, create a podcast, become a freelance writer, sell your arts and design, carry out microjobs, tagging survey online, sell your enterprise and realty, join a remote travel consultant. How to earn money? One of the most important time way to make money online is through of your own website. Pick a niche, generate traffic and then sell your products and service to your audience. Here you shall learn how to make online with affiliate marketing, products, selling your own physical goods, courses, and a lot more. Keep reading to learn. Make money with a lot of people. Start blog to express their views as a creative online. How to there make years of people not learning it. Not every blogger will hit this figure, but if play our card right, you might have a solid chance of earning money with your blog. Remember you that it's important to have a learning to envision you want to make money right away, but as your writing improves, your skills grow and your site picks up more traffic, it's a definite possibility. If your goal is to start to blog how to make money, here are some tips to keep in mind. Choose a broad topic like health, finance, relationships, hobbies, or personal growth. Always aim for quality and create the possible. Learn about SEO, how to work your SEO. Start an affiliate website. An affiliate website is built upon recommended or reviewing creating products. Then when a reader buys the product through your link, you shall receive a commission. Or do it not seem like a big revenue generator? You are multi-dollar sites being an affiliate revenue. For example, Wirecutter was so profitable. Do sites 30 million. There is we use this a site about baby products reviews to start. Take a bite check. For example, the website offer reviews about hosting services, VPN tool and sites builders, and every time I mention the product and affiliate link is included in the post. After signing up for the Hostner affiliate program, you should get access to the affiliate marketing dashboard where you can track all your campaigns. Then use the provided marketing material like banners, book, and infographics. While hosting at affordable plans helps to ensure a high conservation rate. There's always room to maximize the run for build. You have e-commerce website. E-commerce website have exploded in popularity in recent years with the advances of platforms like WordPress, WooCommerce, creating an e-commerce site be easier if you have for dealing with pricing products and selling something tangible. Then opening up an e-commerce store. There are different methods of running a successful online creating and selling an product is dedicated pricing. However, such a successful store like Ski web and right traffic shows that you can reach incredible results with your e-commerce store. It is the first approach seems a little risky for your first online business. Then beyond selling the right, you shall need to be how to going to ship your products. You can personally handle the drop shipping. Create a data course. It seems like a data course are everywhere. So if you have valuable knowledge to someone, put in favor this will addition to having your own course learning platforms such as Bit Degree, after a chance to become an instructor, it is an unique way to skills and experience thousands of people who are eager to learn and some. Create a membership site. Create a membership sites have exploded in popularity recently and the idea is enough easily enough to this it does however require having an existing audience of some sort. For example, Mark mentioned tons of popular self-built blog on sites there are membership portion of give access to online courses, video and additional articles. People are which is visiting your websites and sell advertising space. There are many different old networks, so choose Google AdSense is probably not work you are most familiar with. You apply to the network and you have approved you can start adding or your site typing you pay out adverts. They are the other like is all can make about which have approval which and site evolution. This network also have a benefit of working with you to optimize your advertising revenue. Online directories are not as popular as they use, but they can still be profitable. They work in a similar fashion to be a job, but instead of people directly listening, if you have an alternate site to get a lot of traffic, the settings are pretty valuable. Let's say you run out the site dedicated to web development and design. You produce high quality content and have a solid amount of authority. You could create a directory portion of your site where web developers and Bing leagues can purchase physical listing. They will not only provide them a solid Ethonite backlink, but it could be a nice source of traffic of their business. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, then subscribe our channel. Take care.